This is our room on the Freedom of the Seas. We're in 9576. Let's do a room tour. First, when you walk in to the left, you have a closet. Pretty good amount of space in there. Definitely. There's the safe. Beds are supposed to be pushed together. I assume they'll do that later. Here is the bathroom. Typical cruise bathroom. Shower. Little capsule shower. Got some desk space. This is an oversized balcony. So this is definitely bigger than the rooms we've had in the past. Now we're going to go out and see the balcony. Need to figure out how to use it. There we go. Big police. We're at midship. There's the little stick out point back there. There's a hot tub up there. And there's Miami. View from our balcony. A lot of room out here. A lot of room to move around. 2 chairs and a table. Pretty spacious room. Like I said, it is the oversized balcony room, which we booked a GTY room, so let them pick for us, and we got an oversized balcony, which is nice. When I originally booked, I only had one choice on room, so I figured I might as well let them pick it for me and save a few $100. So here's our room on Freedom of the Seas. I just pushed off. We're almost out of sight of Miami. I wonder if that's the Norwegian one that pushed off right before us. I bet it is.
Yeah, there's one right there too.
Oh yeah, straight out. That one's coming back, I think. Uh-huh.